bunye gị ka ibunye na mmemme echi. Ilezi anya ọhụrụ mmanya mbọ. Aṅụkwala maka na ndị ụka anyị ga-ewepụ iwe. Ndị ụka anyị ga-ewepụ iwe.
And so we spilled away a piece of our culture. So Palmine became a crime in a traditional marriage rite. And a union that have a test, you shout from the back, we never survive a night. We all seem to have forgot so soon. The long years we sat under the moon, roasting meat from the deep, telling our meat from lip to lip, and reminding the day to come to spare no man a chance to live. Yet, we all seem to have forgot so soon. The long years we sat under the moon, chewing fried breadfruit from Yupa tree, scooping slices to was served on the table of three, and drinking the sweet wine of the raffia, our wine, before came the white man with his offer, Manya vine. Yet, we all seem to have forgot so soon. Those long years we sat under the moon, counting the next market day after 4, long before we came to learn that business closes after 4. Each man, each day telling his story that no one will take from him his glory. Yet, we all seem to have forgot so soon. The long years we sat under the moon before the coming of red nails, of swaying hips and high heels, long before tiny waist learned to stand on those heels like a zaga the still to masquerade. When if you held a man, DK, he invited you into Palmine. And if you told the wife, Oyinidia, she sang your praise to ABA downstairs. Yet, we all seem to have forgot so soon that this man when we speak came from New World and Britain, same mouths that proclaim the right to culture and belief system. And when I sing and dance my own, the same people I woke up will tell me that I'm alone. Yet, we all seem to have forgot so soon that this evil river we meditated from swimming on their chastised was same place the priest took the community and got them baptized. So if I should judge from your own standard, every one of us should be ostracized. Chinua Achebe wrote, and we read, ECK will never forget how we slaughtered them in that war. We killed 12 of their men and they only killed 2 of us. Before the end of the 4th market week, they came swimming for peace. These were days when men were men. Worthy men are no more. Okonkwo lamented. But we all seem to have forgot so soon the long years when tribal wars could not take beyond 20 heads until we are told how Hiroshima and Nagasaki took thousands of heads and the story behind the million grave after 1945. So we sold everything just to get our land fortified. Before the white man, we went on our knees asking for that which can kill in millions, just to end up killing the same enemies that we all have become. But there is one thing we all seem to have forgotten. That at dusk, when all fishes have swum to rest, when all fish have swum to rest, when all strength have been dashed to futility, we shall all be found standing on the wall's extreme corner, and it shall dawn on us that we have not been creating boundaries but building walls before one another, before our very own. Thank you.